Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S3CE238. Today we are checking out a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This bad boy is a two-wheel drive, finished in a yellow 43U with a dark charcoal 69D interior. This bad girl's got a 373 rear gear in it, 4L60E 5.3 swap. Really a nice unit. You don't see them honestly in sport yellow like ever. This thing, hail damage. The only damage we can actually see though is the sunroof, and the interior got a little wet. We had some fun cleaning it out. But yeah, 203,830 miles. Motor makes great oil pressure. We're gonna engage the transmission here in just a minute. Bone stock underneath the hood, whisper quiet. She's running. It had good oil, clean coolant. Just a hail damage truck. Got this thing out of Texas too, so the underside is very, very nice. I will be selling this 534L60E as a dropout. Motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Let's step inside here, test out some parts. Right off the rip. Alright, power folding mirrors. Off to a good start there, Chevy. Alright. Man, everything's working. Good climate control, lights up. Well, let's see if it lights up. Nope. Couple of dead bulbs right there, but a good working climate control. Those bulbs can be replaced. Radio. No radio volume. The amplifier is down in the console. So one casualty, the radio amplifier. Alright, looks like it was up to date on its oil changes. Let's go ahead and put her into reverse. Transmission engages. Grabs drive right away. Grabs reverse in normal 4L60E time. Seems like a good transmission. Let's see if it'll do a quick little burnout here. Okay, does a burnout. Let's see if it has a locking rear differential. Locker, cool. All right, guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking of our 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche S3CE238. If you guys are looking for any of these yellow parts or these dark charcoal interior parts, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.